Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. We're back in the kitchen one more time again. Today we're gonna show you can make yourself at home green plantain and green banana porridge. Both of them goes together. It is a lot of iron. Hopefully you'll enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Remember, my cooking book is out. Get your copy, guys. Very important for you to have a copy in your kitchen to tell someone about Chef Ricardo. We have a lot more recipe coming out for you. Remember, Father's Day is in this month, which is the 22nd of this month, which is on a Sunday. Remember, we got recipe for Father's Day already. There's a lot more to come. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. It's a beautiful day, beautiful evening, beautiful. The time is just hot and really nice. Basically, you know, sometimes I do some videos, some people say I keep repeating myself, but it's not repeating yourself. You have to create something for yourself. If you don't create something for yourself, no one gonna have anything to talk about. But anyway, today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself green plantain and green banana porridge. Basically, remove the skin. Now this one is already, that one is a little bit too fit. So we're gonna use this one. As you can, when you peel the plantain, that's the way it's supposed to sound. So this one is really good. So you peel the plantain and next thing, cut it up. Don't do like what you do at home. Please use a safe thin knife like this one and take a little time and cut it. So right here, that's the green plantain. And right here now, this is the green banana. So you remove the skin from the green banana. And I want to simply say to you, it is good to use gloves when you're peeling these things. It's very important. Basically, simple like this. Put it straight inside of it like that, guys. Lovely and nice. And I'm gonna move my gloves from it because it's stainy. Then we're gonna put some coconut cream milk inside of the blender like this. Roughly half cans of coconut milk. Nice one. And we're gonna put some Ola milk. Roughly half cups of Ola milk. Next thing, cover your blender. I'm using my smoothie blender because I love to use it. So I use one medium-sized plantain and one finger of green banana. Nice one. Cover it, lock it, blend. So. Nice one. For about 3 to 4 minutes. That's finished. I don't need to go any further. You can see inside of it very, very, very smooth. Now we're gonna put the camera straight inside of the pot with the water. Nice one. So basically, first thing you need to put a little bit of water and make your water start to boil. That's one of the first things we need to do. Then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna season up the water. As I always do my video there before, 1 teaspoon of salt. Lovely. In my video then I normally show you, this is one of the first things I normally do. Then teaspoon of vanilla. The reason why I did it because when it boils with the water, it gives it a lovely flavor and a nice taste. Then pinch of cinnamon. That's cinnamon. Then we're gonna, sorry guys, mixed spice. We're gonna put a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very strong. Be careful. Then nutmeg, 1 grated nutmeg. Lovely. Use a whisk and whisk it just like that. Beautiful. Then get your blending. We should just blend up your banana, your plantain. We should just blend. Pour it straight inside of it like this. Pour back a little bit of milk inside of the bottle where you blend it in and rinse it out. Just a little bit of milk. And rinsing out it and pour straight inside of it like this. Take a little time. Give it a whisk. Turn on your flame low, not too high. And leave this for it. Continue whisk it like this. Leave it for it to cook for over 15 minutes. Lovely and nice. So, as you can see, how thick the porridge is. So, that's the best way to make a porridge, I always say. Basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit more milk to it to correct up the porridge. So, that's one of the best way you could ever. I'll take just a little bit more. Lovely. So roughly about 15 minutes now since I have it cooking. So I'm gonna make it cook another 10 more minutes. A little bit, it's fine, yeah? That's good, perfect. It's banana and plantain, so there's a lot of iron. Enjoy the recipe. Nice, roughly 20 minutes now since I have the porridge cooking. Now we're gonna sweeten it by using some sweet condensed milk. And sweeten it. I'm using half can of sweet condensed milk inside of it at the moment. Nice one. Look at this, beautiful. I'm gonna taste it. Taste it and see the way it tastes. Turn up a little bit more heat on it. I believe that's perfect, you know. I'll put a little bit more cinnamon. The nutmeg really strong in it. And I can taste a little bit of more mixed spice. That was. Yes. Yeah, that's perfect. That's pretty perfect. The salt and everything is right in it. So make this cook for about 3-4 more minutes, and then you're gonna share it out. Nice one, guys. Roughly about 5 minutes now. I have it been cooking, as you can see. So now I'm gonna turn off my stove and I'm gonna share it out now. Nice and lovely. Looking lovely and nice, is it? Really good. So now we're gonna share it out, guys, and make you guys can see exactly what's going on inside of the porridge. Enjoy the recipe. Lovely and nice. So right here I have a big bowl, as I always do. Gonna pour out some in it now and fill it up. Beautiful. So all you need to do now is to get some bread or bread or some crackers to have with the Jamaican green banana and green plantain porridge. As you can see right here, this is the way it goes. Lovely and nice. Green banana and green plantain. Looking so fantastic and nice. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like these coming out. Thank you so much, and hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Green banana and green plantain porridge. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Lovely and nice. So hopefully you will enjoy the porridge. As you can see, a nice, lovely Jamaican porridge is banana, green banana and green plantain. The porridge is just really fantastic. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe coming out for you day by day. So guys, you might see a lot of recipe go. Don't see the recipe on the YouTube channel. Go straight to my website and you can get me with my recipe. Anyway, the website is Chef Ricardo at hotmail.co.uk. That's my email address. I'm going at the website is chefricardo.cooking.com or chefricardo.co.uk. Enjoy the recipe and remember, Happy Father's Day, the end of this month.